Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एक्शन पोटेंशियल इन कार्डिक मसल्स एंड एसए नोड्स. देयर इज सम कंपैरिजन बिटवीन द कार्डिक मसल्स एंड एसए नोड पोटेंशियल. सो लेट्स वी डिस्कस. इसमें आपको पता होना चाहिए कि एक्शन पोटेंशियल इन कार्डिक मसल हैपन व्हेन द रेस्टिंग मेम्ब्रेन पोटेंशियल इज -90 millivolt and action potential in SA node is happen when the resting membrane potential is -60 millivolt. This lesser negative membrane potential is due to the natural leakiness of sodium and calcium channel. This natural leakiness of these slow sodium calcium gated channel neutralize the intracellular negativity and produce slowly depolarize the membrane, which is known as a pacemaker potential. So it is happen by itself, so it is not stimulated by any other external stimulus, so it produce a pacemaker potential, whereas it has a stable resting membrane potential. But in SA node it does not have a stable resting potential because of the leakiness of sodium and calcium inside the cell, which neutralize the intracellular negativity. So next difference is upstroke is less steep in SA node as compared to the cardiac muscles. Okay, in phase 0 this is a phase 0 and here in SA node this is a phase 0. It is a phase 0. मैं आपको एक मिनट लिख के दिखा देती हूँ. These are the phase 0, and here when the membrane potential is -90 millivolt, the cell is stimulated, the fast sodium gated channel get open and it moves in opposite direction, and membrane का potential जो है वो negative से positive हो जाएगा, and greater upstroke हमें मिलेगा इसमें because of the sodium gated channel, because of the fast sodium gated channel. But here we do not have a fast sodium gated channel because of the lesser membrane potential. At this potential, the fast sodium gated channel are closed. Here's the only channel that are open are the slow sodium calcium channel. So here is a less steep is produced because of the only L type slow calcium channel are open, which produce this upstroke. So this is the difference. Here is a fast sodium gated channel are open, but here is this upstroke is produced by the slow gated calcium channel are open here, which produce this lesser steep, and this is a slow. This is a pacemaker potential is a slow response, and this is a fast response. So these are the differences which produced a less and a high steep. So the next difference is a plateau in cardiac muscle is produced, but not in the SA node. Here is a plateau which provide a more time for the contraction in the cardiac muscle fiber, but here there is no contractile fiber in SA node, so there is a no plateau. So this is another difference. And here is another difference is a phase 3 is more gradual than in cardiac muscles. Here I am discussed earlier कि यहाँ पर हमारे पास because of the slow gated sodium calcium channel, there is a slow response, membrane is slowly depolarized and reaches to a threshold at -40 millivolt, and then produce a upstroke, which is a very slow response and produced by a slow calcium gated channel. So the phase 3, this is a phase 3. Okay, this is a phase 3. Here the efflux of potassium occur. This is also slower because the अगर हमारे पास जो हमारे पास upstroke slowly produce हो रहा है, तो वो return of the membrane to resting stage is also slower or gradual as compared in the cardiac muscle, which is very abrupt to return back to its resting level. So there is another difference. So the next and last difference is produced in the phase 4. Phase 4 is a slow diastolic depolarization in SA node. So यहाँ पर हमारे पास slow diastolic depolarization हो रही है यहाँ पर. This is a phase 4. This is the phase 4. Here हमारे पास जैसे ही पोटेशियम हाइपरपोलराइजेशन स्टेट में आएगा, तो सोडियम बिकॉज ऑफ द नेचुरल लीकीनेस ऑफ सोडियम ओवर बैलेंस द पोटेशियम, सो पोटेशियम आउटफ्लक्स इज सीजेस एंड सोडियम इज मूव्स at the hyperpolarization state. That's why when the sodium enter at this stage, it is called as a funny current. Sodium is called as a funny current because it is produced at the time when the membrane become hyperpolarized, when at the stage of hyperpolarization. So जैसे ही वो हमारे पास सोडियम कैल्शियम का इन्फ्लक्स होगा, मेम्ब्रेन ड्रिफ्ट करेगी अपवर्ड एंड हमारे पास कैल्शियम गेटेड चैनल भी ओपन हो जाएंगे. सो कैल्शियम मूव इनसाइड एंड रीचेस द मेम्ब्रेन टू अ थ्रेशोल्ड एंड प्रोड्यूस अ pacemaker potential. And when the pacemaker potential is happen, membrane reaches to a threshold, membrane again the more calcium are moving inside the membrane and produce a action potential and upstroke. So this process is continue and another upstroke is produced again, and this process continue again and again. So these are the differences which has happened in both of these action potential. But here membrane the efflux of potassium occur, membrane reaches to a resting state which is minus 90 millivolt. So hopefully you can understand what's the difference between the action potential in cardiac muscles and action potential in SA node. Hopefully this video is very helpful for you. अगर आपको आज की वीडियो समझ आई है, आज का लेक्चर अगर आज को आपको समझ आया है तो मुझे कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. अल्लाह हाफिज़.